Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Here I am back with another video. Today I am going to explain you about what is matter and its 5 states. If you have not seen our previous video, then please find the link in description box and go and watch them. Let's get started with today's video. First of all, let me tell you what is matter. The matter is something that makes up all the things around us. Everything which you are seeing around you is matter. Whether it is the furniture kept in your room, the books, the clothes kept in your cupboard, all are matter. Now, the question arises how we can identify the things what are matter. So, matter is something that occupies space and has some weight. So you can easily find out the things around you which are taking up space and has some weight. Basically, matter is divided into 3 forms. But if we talk broadly, so the matter exists in 5 forms: solid, liquid, gases, plasma, and Bose-Einstein condensate. Maybe you have learned about only the 3 states of matter, that is solid, liquid, and gases, which we are seeing around us commonly. But there are more states of matter as well, that is plasma, Bose-Einstein condensate. So today I am going to explain you in detail about all these 5 states of matter. So the first state of matter is solids. The things which seems hard to us are solid because the molecules are tightly packed with each other. Solids are hard, rigid, and have definite shape and volume. They have high density. The electrons of each atom are constantly in motion and they have small vibration, but still they are fixed in their position. So they are not changing their position or shape when an external force is applied on it, until and unless you are hammering it or you are providing extensive force on them. So the examples of solids are stone, table, chair, wood, etc. You can see more of solids around you. The second state of matter is liquid. Liquids are the molecules which are tightly packed, but they are having air spaces in between them. So we can say the molecules are less tightly packed as compared to solid. And this characteristic of liquid make them flow. So the molecules can move around freely and hence liquids can be flow. That's why whenever a water spill on the table is spilled all over. So liquids have definite volume, but they are not having any definite shape. They are taking up the shape of the container in which they are poured. For example, milk, juice, water, etc. They take up the shape of the container in which they are poured. If you are putting the liquid into a plate, then they will take up the shape of that plate. If you are putting them into the bowl, they will take up the shape of the bowl. So they are taking up the shape of the container in which they are poured. Now, the next state of matter is gases. Gases, they are the free moving molecules. They are very far from each other. That's why we can't control them into one or the other vessel. So we can say the molecules are far apart from one another and can move freely away from one another. They are having large intermolecular spaces. That's why they are free to move. The molecules and gases have very fast speed, so we can't confine them into any of the container. If the lid is open, they will move out. Gases can flow easily, that's why they are not having any definite shape or volume. They will take up the shape and the volume of the container in which they will be kept or in the place where they are. And gases, as we all know, the examples are oxygen, nitrogen, and carbon dioxide. These are the common gases which we are seeing in our atmosphere. Now, the next The fourth state of matter is plasma. Plasma consists of highly charged particles with extremely high kinetic energy. They are completely in the motion, and these are common state of matter in the universe, but we are not seeing it around us. Stars are superheated balls of plasma. The stars which you are seeing in the universe, actually they are the balls of plasma. They are used up to make glowing sign by using electricity to ionize them. Some of the example of plasma are the noble gases like neon, helium, krypton, argon, xenon, which are ionized by using electricity and to convert them into the plasma state. Now, the last or the fifth state of matter is Bose-Einstein condensate, which can also be called BEC. It is a man-made state of matter. It is not a natural one. It is created by the scientists in 1995 by using a combination of laser and magnets. They commonly seen like a, sometimes they are seen like a crystal, sometimes they are seems like a ionized balls of gases or the colorful balls of gases. So these are the fifth state of matter which separate with atoms or the subatomic particles when in the cooling state. At the absolute zero, the atoms, all the subatomic particles like neutron, proton, and electron, they can be separate out in this state of matter. And this state of matter is having the property of superfluid, that which can flow without any friction. They are smoothly moving, they are not experiencing any frictional force. So that's why they are called superfluid. I hope you liked today's video. If yes, then please subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon to get the notification of the upcoming video. And please don't forget to share with your family and friends. Show your love to us so that we will keep motivating to give you knowledgeable content. Thank you. Have a nice day.